on Wednesday, June 7, 2017. Cook County Board President Tony Preckwinkle addressed potential impacts on Cook County that would result from the proposed President Trump budget.
I've shared with you several times our concerns about the impact on Cook County should the President and his congressional allies succeed in their desire to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act. House Republicans have moved their American Health Care Act bill to the Senate, where we hope common sense will prevail and it will collapse of its own weight. The Congressional Budget Office estimates that 23 million people, 23 million Americans, would lose their health care coverage under the American Health Care Act, 14 million of them next year. Clearly, this is unacceptable. We will continue to be vigilant in our efforts to educate the public and all elected officials on what Trump and Ryan Care would mean. Millions without health care coverage, higher premiums, denial of coverage to those with pre-existing conditions. In short, it would be a disaster. We're also seeing the President trying to roll back the clock on a variety of environmental regulations. And now he said we will pull out of the Paris Climate Accord. This also strikes close to home. When I took office in 2010, I elevated sustainability as a forward-looking issue for Cook County. I took a department that focused on monitoring air quality and broadened its policy-making portfolio. I named Deborah Stone as the county's first sustainability officer. Under Ms. Stone's leadership, we've committed to reducing the county's greenhouse gas emissions by 80% by 2050. In the first 5 years, we've exceeded our goals, and we continue to make progress through our investments in energy upgrades, harnessing solar, and recycling. I stand with mayors and governors from around the country in their rejection of the President's illogical decision to withdraw from the Paris Accords. Finally, we must be vigilant in our defensive programs that now appear to be on the Trump's administration chopping block: community development block grants and home funding. Cook County uses CDBG, community development block grant money, to fund capital improvement projects such as water mains, roads, sewers, and public facilities, as well as support social service agencies in suburban Cook County. In program year 2016, Cook County received $9.8 million in CDBG funds. The latest Trump budget proposal calls for complete elimination of the Community Development Block Grant Program and home programs. We use home money, of course, to fund affordable housing. Since 2011, the CDBG program has funded 275 capital improvement projects, again, roads, sewer, water mains, and public facilities, in suburban Cook County, totaling more than $40 million. Additionally, during the same period, the CDBG program has invested $10 million in a network of social service agencies providing care to suburban Cook County. We further believe that those who need affordable housing should have access to it. Since 2011, $45 million has been invested in 32 home investment partnership projects, helping finance affordable housing for seniors, veterans, and the disabled. Elimination of this program would reduce already scarce housing options at a time when housing insecurity has increased. We're faced with continuing challenges and must fight to preserve our critical programs.
This has been a Look Inside Cook County.